In this video, I will show you step by step how to check in online in Gulfair. So guys, this is a flight ticket. If you want to check online, go to Google, search for Gulfair, then write directly this page. If I make some screenshot, write this one, web check. When you click web check, you will see this page. So guys, you will see this page here, my booking reference and last name. In my case, I want to write booking reference. If you don't know how you can extract this booking reference, follow these steps. So go to this page. From here, this is the ticket number. You can extract your ticket from this ticket here, extract your booking reference from this ticket, and then write your last name. For example, this is my last name, and then this is my reference, and then click submit. So guys, write your submit option. It is easy steps, guys, without any complicated. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like, give share this video. You can also go to check in from the state. Just click booking reference and last name. Any question, friends, down below in the comment, and I will answer your question as soon as possible, and I will help you to any question.